Hello. In this video I will show you how to solve a Masyu puzzle. The easiest starting point is to look for clues near the borders of the grid. For example, when we have a black circle next to the border, we can make the following deductions. If the line comes from the bottom side into the circle, we know it must turn, so it must continue to the right. If the line comes from the top side, it also must turn in the same direction. In all cases we know for sure that there should be a line going out of the black circle in the direction opposite to the border. Now, following the rule that a line, going out of a black circle should not turn in a neighbor cell, we know that it should be one step longer. This black circle is also too close to the border. If there was a line to the right, there wouldn't be enough space to make it 2 steps long. So the line should go out of the black circle in the opposite direction. And it must be longer than 1 step. Now let's check out the white circles, which are next to the border. We know that the loop line should go through the white circles in a straight line. It could be either horizontal or vertical. In this case it can't be horizontal because it will have nowhere to continue. So the line must go through the white circle vertically. Similarly, the line should go through this white circle horizontally. The lines which we place act like borders for other circles. For example, we can't draw a vertical line through this white circle, because it will create a branch, and that is not allowed. The line must go horizontally here. Similarly, it can't be vertical for this white circle. So it must be horizontal. Now there is a line going into a white circle. It must continue straight. We know that all line segments should be connected in a single loop. We can look for line endings, which have only one direction to continue. For example, this line can only continue to the left. And this one can only continue to the right. This line can only continue downwards. Now take a look at this white circle. On its right-hand side the line continues straight. We know the rule that the line should make a turn in at least one of the neighbor cells of a white circle. It doesn't make a turn on the right side. So it must make a turn on the left side. Take a look at this line ending. If it continues to the left, we will have an isolated closed loop, which is not allowed. It must continue downwards. Now it cannot connect to the black circle, so it must continue downwards one more step. Now let's check out this black circle. The line goes into it and it must turn either up or down, and it must be at least 2 steps long. But if the line goes upwards, it will end up in an area, where it won't be able to connect to the rest of the loop. So the line should go down from the black circle. Then the line should continue to the right. This line can only continue downwards. Now let's check out this line ending. If it continues to the left, the line will enter an area, where it will hit a dead end and it won't be able to connect to the rest of the loop. So that line should continue downwards and connect to the black circle. The last unsolved white circle cannot be solved vertically. So the line should run horizontally through it. The puzzle is solved. In the next video I will show you how to solve a harder Masyu puzzle.